Hey everyone, quick follow-up from last week's video where I put the 20-year-old winter tyres on the 993 on the back. I did end up putting them on the front as well and putting the little emblems in the middle. They work surprisingly well for 20-year-old tyres, but just to reassure the guy that wrote me a profanity-laden email saying that I deserve to go to jail for having 20-year-old tyres, I am ordering new tyres for it. It was just an experiment. I bought the rims from a guy down the road, nice guy down the road, sold it to me, and the tyres came with it. I wanted to see how they performed, and they're actually not that bad. But of course, I don't want to drive around on 20-year-old tyres, so I've ordered some new ones. They'll come. So yes, ease up on the crazy. The other thing that everyone was freaking out about in that video and made many comments about was that I used an old-fashioned lug wrench. How could I use a manual tool? Oh my God, why don't I get electric, whatever they are, electric spanner thingy? Here's one. I do have one, but like any good Nick Murray tool, the battery was flat when I went to use it. So I used the lug wrench, no one died. So yes, new tyres coming for the 993. It'll be out in the snow, cruising around. I love this car. Meantime, I made one other little adjustment, and that's to the headlights. Long time I've looked at these headlights and gone, oh, look how yellow this is. So annoying. But I've often looked up how much a new headlight unit would be, about $750, $800, and I went, it's $1,500, $1,600. Am I annoyed that much by it? No, I'm not. But of course, being an idiot, I didn't realize you just replace the front glass. And that's only $140 per side. So I do it. And it's really easy to do. Yes, of course I carry a fire extinguisher, I've learnt. It's just this little lever here. You lift this lever up here, and the light pops out, and the light pops out, and the light pops, and light, there we go, and the light pops out, just like this. It's one whole unit, and there it is. And then I can take it inside and swap it out. It takes 5 minutes. And to show you the difference is significant. Here's the new one for that one, and here's the old one from the other one. You can see how yellow it is around the edges here compared to the dark, even the rims. See, nice dark rims, sort of grey, yellow. Makes such a difference. So yeah, a really easy modification for the 993. Only takes a few minutes to pop these bits here off. Pops the whole thing out, put this one on, pop it back in. Yeah, such a great modification. Anyway, so that's it from me. Yep. The world is not coming to an end. I do have electric tools. I am using modern tyres. Stay calm, everyone. Okay, one last little thing that I think you'll enjoy. I took this video in the fall, me enjoying the leaves with the 993. However, if you look closely at the passenger seat, that's right, it turned out to be a dog abuse video. Poor little smudge.